Hi, let me show you how to turn on or off keyboard click sounds on iPhone. Firstly, go ahead and open Settings on the phone and make sure to select Sounds and Haptics tab. After that, if you scroll a bit down, you will see this section, Keyboard Feedback. So if you want to turn on keyboard click sound, then you need to enable sound right here by toggle on the switch so it will light up green. And after that, you will hear this sound feedback. Also, you can enable haptic, which is like vibration feedback. And of course, to disable keyboard click sound, you need to toggle off the switch near sound. And you can do the same for haptic if you don't want to feel any vibrations when using your keyboard. And also, if you enabled sound, but your phone is in silent mode, then there will be no sound when using your keyboard. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.